Okay, one more thing that I want to mention to you guys is your system file. Go back into your system again, go to your advanced, and what you want to do is you want to go back to your performance again and go into advanced tab over here. Once you click advanced, you don't want to change any of that except your virtual memory. Your virtual memory, as you can see, is paging files in area of a hard disk that Windows uses as it were RAM. So what you want to do is you have a low RAM like I do, as you can see. I'm going to close this for a second. My RAM is a little bit low. If you go to general, my RAM is only 1.5 gig of RAM, okay, because it's not a new computer. So again, you go to advanced, you click your virtual memory, advanced, and on the bottom it says virtual memory. You change that. I've already put in 1536, but I think previously I had about 500 over here or something. So you want to change this number over here, okay? Maximum 1536. So if this is your max, you go for your max, as you see, and you want to do set. So you want to click set over here. So don't forget that, and then you click OK, and OK again, and close your system. And that is for this part over here. So again, system performance. Okay, your number 6 is your virtual memory, so we've fixed that as well. Number 7 is your error reporting. We turn this off, so that's done. Oops. Error reporting, so that's off. Number 8. Okay. What I always suggest is update your antivirus. Okay, how you do that is, for myself, when I turn on the Kaspersky over here, as you can see, Kaspersky is quite user-friendly. What I do is I click on update, and it will update all the databases just by clicking update databases. It will run the update in the background. I can completely close that, and I'm done. That's the beauty of Kaspersky. It's quite a fast software, so it's a great little antivirus software. Now, another thing that I want to mention to all of you guys is this would be one of the final things that you'd be doing. Number 9 is your RAM, and there's a little trick that you can do with your RAM. Hopefully that can improve the performance, and it's going to be running a little bit faster. So again, you want to go to Start, Run, and what I want you to do is I want you to type in REGEDIT. So it's regedit, and if you click OK, you will see that the registry editor comes up. This is basically the insides of your computer. So this is very important. You don't click anything, or you don't delete anything you don't want to delete. So again, my computer goes into everything over here. So what you want to do is you want to click in on this is what you're going to see basically. What you want to click is you want to click on H key local machine. Open that. Okay. After you click on that, you click on this thing over here, which it will be called current control set, and you open that. Then you click on control. Okay, so you open your control. I already have everything open, sorry. Then you scroll down again. Sorry, I'll expand this slightly to the side so you can see what's going on. Then what you want to open again is you want to open your session manager. As you can see, I've already opened the session manager. After your session manager, you want to go down to memory management. This is where you want to be. You want to be in memory management. Now, what you'll be looking for is this point over here: disable paging executive. Okay, so what you're going to do is you double click that. Your value over here will be 0. Okay, you want to change that to value of 1. You click OK, and you close it. That's all. You don't need to restart it, but basically that will make your computer run a little bit faster. This is the heart of your RAM. There's a lot that you can read up on that on the internet as well. But once you improve this, your computer should be running a little bit faster. And again, really appreciate you guys watching this little update. 9 quick steps. You perform all these, and your computer should be running quite well. Now, one more thing that I will mention to you is disk defragmenter. This is something that I would suggest all of you guys do as well. So it's the last mode over here that you can do, last option in the computer, control panel. I'm sorry, not a control panel. All programs, accessories, system tools, and disk defragmenter. Okay, you have to give it a second for it to kick in. Disk defragmenter basically fixes all the files and defragments all the files that you don't use, something that is non-movable. And as you see, I don't have much free space over here. I have quite a bit of memory used up, so I have about 300, 400 files, so about 700 gigabytes already used up on these hard drives. And what you have to do is you want to select all of them, or just each one of them one by one, and you want to defragment them. You can analyze it as well. So again, once you click analyze, it will just analyze what it can defragment, what could this program clean up on this particular hard drive. Now, remember, once you click defragment, you need about 2 hours. This will take about 2 hours. So you can see over here what could be done, which are files on my C drive are fragmented, so I can do some big time cleanup on my computer. You can probably tell over here. Oh, it's quite a bit. So you can see that my C drive needs a lot of work. So if I would put that into defragment, that would definitely run me a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click defragmenting, and now I have to wait. It's analyzing again, but it's going to take about 2 hours. Okay, thank you very much again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short clip. Thanks, guys.